You're on XPRIMM TV, and we're with Mrs. Andrea BERKOVA, Solution Specialist within Oracle. Mrs. BERKOVA, could you tell us a couple of details at first regarding your responsibilities within Oracle? Because I know that you're also responsible for implementing the insurance and IT&C solutions in the Central and Eastern Europe region.
Yes, that's true. I have been working for Oracle for 9 years. In the last 3 years, I am on the position which it's in charge for business development for insurance companies. So I am trying support my colleagues in the countries to teach them how about the insurance industry, about the needs of insurers. And of course, because Oracle has the portfolio of products dedicated just for insurance, specifically for insurance industry, I try to evangelize the market that Oracle, it's not just the vendor, database vendor, but we have end-to-end solution for insurance companies, and these solutions could help them in many areas. We are able to support from end-to-end overall their insurance business life cycle, from product development to help them achieve the better go-to-market activities and speed up their deployment process. We could offer them application for supporting their care about the customers, for storing information about customers, for remote access customers, and also brokers and agents to their application, and sharing the information about the policies for each customer, about the claims which already are reported, and so on. There is quite bright portfolio of products, and of course we have a set of products for the business management, for the performance review, for risk analysis, and of course now the solution for Solvency II, because it's the hottest topic on the insurance market for the EU members.
What are you preparing for the Central and Eastern region? Would you say that this region is more special, let's say, if you are to compare it with other regions in Europe? And also, do you have a different approach for this region?
Central and Eastern Europe, because we don't have such a long history as, for example, the Western European countries. A lot of the products and applications which our customers using, insurance companies using, are quite new. Some of them are on place more than 20 years, but some of them are quite new. But comparing the tradition in the Western part, they are old-fashioned application. So the insurers in our area could easily implement the latest technology trends. They can more focus on integration, not just data integration, but also process integration, because it's now one of the very common requirement from the insurance companies to integrate the application from the end user point of view, because each insurance company has many running applications, and very often the user should jump from one application to another one, and now it's the trend to build, not change all the application, but build new user interface on the top of running application to consolidate all functions to one screen or a couple of screens, and on behind use the workflow or business process management, which helps going from one step of the process to the next one, and some decision automate.
What about, let's say, the differences between different countries in the Central and Eastern Europe region? Would you say that Oracle has a different approach in every country, or is it somehow more or less the same because it works in this region?
It's more than less the same, because we have a lot of companies, they have the same needs. It doesn't matter if it's the company from Poland, Czech Republic, or Romania, or from Croatia. The only one difference is the size of the subsidiaries. So not in each country we have the people who have the full portfolio of knowledges and skills. So Oracle has the strategy to share the resources. That means that for us it's very easy to bring the people, for example, with insurance knowledge to a particular country. So that is one of my role, to help the people in the countries who doesn't have the particular industry knowledge. I am coming, I am visiting customers, and I am trying to help them draw the picture, and we are trying also propose the future architecture for those companies. We are offering different products, and very often there is the necessary the industry knowledge. Without this, it's not important in the current time.
What about your competition in this area? Would you say that you have strong competition, or does Oracle have much better products, so it doesn't have a problem with the competition?
I would like to say we don't have, but frankly speaking, of course, we have to be afraid about a competition. We are doing our best to have the best product on the best of breed product on the market. But of course, there are the companies who are operated only in this region, and some insurance companies prefer to cooperate with the local players. But we have a lot of international companies, customers. We have a lot of also local companies. It's very individual, and Oracle, thanks to a couple of acquisitions which we did a couple of years ago, we have as only one company on the market the full stock products which we can offer. We can offer not only application, but we can offer also different layers which are necessary for the insurance companies for running those applications. Now, thanks to acquisition of Sun, we have the hardware, we have servers, we have storage, we have also from the software family, we have the layer for storing information in database. We have the layer for integration, which is necessary in those times, and of course we have a lot of application for supporting daily business. It's those applications supporting sales, marketing, they are supporting policy administration, developing new product, but also a lot of back office processes like budgeting, planning, also analyzing the sales force, analyzing different sales channel, and so on. There is many of the application.